I 3D printed these tools, and today we're testing how they compare to their real counterparts. First up is the hammer, and I'm just going to start with a real hammer so we have something to compare the plastic one to. That worked exactly as I expected it to, so now we can move on and see what this thing can do.
That's pretty good.
You get the point here.
It's not bad. Like, for a 3D printed hammer, it's not too bad. I'm kind of surprised. So now, we'll see what little 3D printed wrench can do. This printed in one piece. Like, I can't believe that actually works. Look at that. That's cool.
I figured I'd just test this by seeing if I could tighten up a nut on my bike tire. Also, don't bother asking why I had to take my bike tire off. Yeah, this really can't get a grip on the metal. For comparison, here's an actual metal crescent wrench. And, yep, works just like that.
This thing sucks. Like, this thing sucks. I couldn't crank my nuts with this thing to save my life. Like, I mean, I don't know what I expected. The metal just ate into the plastic.
Moving right along.
This is a little cardboard saw I found on Thingiverse. I don't have a metal comparison. I just want to see what it can do.
I really don't know why this didn't work. It's made for cardboard, and wood is basically just cardboard, but buff. Anyway, it's time for power tools.
Dale!
Power tools.
Dale, no power tools!
We'll start with the drill bit. And
So I'm dumb as shit, and this giant drill bit actually doesn't fit into the chuck of my drill. So I have to go print a smaller one now.
One eternity later.
I printed a plastic one that actually fits, but first we'll use this real one as a control. Let's first test if a printed one can at least widen an existing one.
Well, it did widen the hole.
And now if we can actually drill a hole.
That didn't work. Drill bit didn't fucking work. Moral of the story, I can't drill to the bottom, but I can beat the fuck out of the sides.
Boo! You stink!
Moving on to a circular saw. Metal blade first.
That worked exactly how I expected it to, quite frankly. If the metal didn't do anything, I'd be concerned. Let's see what plastic can do. Actually, hold on. Safety first.
No dice. That's it.
So anyway, yeah, that's it. It was just a thought I had at work. And now you had to sit through it. But thank you for sitting through it. Let me know what you want to see in the next video. No, I'm gonna edit that out. That's going away. Beans? Beans? Did you sleep through me using the circular saw, buddy?